morning. I am Professor Sunil Agarwal, founder of Association for Integrative Health and Research. I am also inventor of the Agarwal energy concept and color therapy. So my total work is based on colors, because colors is a cosmic energy. All the time we find there is a sun, and all the sun rays have all the 7 colors. Likewise, all the colors I am using for my treatment is based on the cosmic energy. Our body has a pranavayu, cosmic energy, chai or kai. These are the energies which affects our performance of the body. If we are happy, our internal cosmic energy level is very high. If we are sad, then some energy in the body is malfunctioning. If there is a wind excess, if there is a heart heat is excess, we can always be very happy, because our heart is working well and it has a sufficient energy which control the nervous system, which control the circulatory system of the body. So heart is having a red color. Same wise, liver and gallbladder, they are the 2 organs. They are the biggest organ of our digestive system and nervous system also. They are controlled by the green color. Likewise, every set of organ has its own color. These colors I am using for the benefit of the human body, or if there is any ailment in the body and types of the ailment in the body, I diagnose whether it is a heat disease, wind energy disease, dryness disease, what type of the disease in the body, and that disease is related with what type of energy. If that energy is manifesting in the body, then I will try to rectify that energy with the help of the colors. This is the basic principle of color energy which I have invented. And second part of this color energy is I am putting the colors on the Chinese meridian, Chinese TCM meridians. That TCM meridians are flowing in the entire body. They are 14 and they may be more, but I am putting the color according to the disease, according to the location, according to the malfunction of the problem, according to the symptom, watching the tongue of the patient. There is a tongue diagnosis also, nail diagnosis also. So that I am doing tongue diagnosis, hair diagnosis, face diagnosis, and there are so many ways to diagnose a patient with the help of these instruments or with the help of the corresponding system on the body. I try to diagnose the patient which energy is manifesting. The energy manifesting can be easily controlled by the color therapy or Agarwal energy concept. If there is a wind is controlled by the dryness. I will putting the brown color, it will control the issue and it will control the disease also. Now I just want to discuss with you people how you can cure, how you can control cancer in the body. First thing you have to remember, cancer is not a disease. Cancer is not a disease. It is a condition of your body cells. Right? This white blood cells and the red blood cells. If the red cells are healthy, your body is healthy. If white blood cells are more and is dominating to the other cells, red cells, then you are having the problem in the body, or your immune system is getting poor and poor day by day. Now, how to handle these issues? Just with the help of the diet, I will be discussing in this video how you can treat your cancer, or how you can keep your all ailments or sugar level, blood cancer, normal cancer, digestive system whatever the problem may be in your body, that you can control it by your just changing the food habits. By changing the food habit, you can control every disease in the body. Number one, things always to be remembered in your mind. Cancer is not a disease. Cancer is not a disease. Cancer is you will find in the body. But cancer should not be in your brain. Means कि you should not be always thinking about the cancer, I have a cancer. Then your third metaphysical brain or subconscious brain is getting hurted. Always you are thinking, I have a brain cancer, I am having a cancer. If you want to overcome the cancer with the help of your immune system or with your body system or with your mind, you always have to keep your subconscious mind very active, very happy and very positive. There is nothing in my body, I can fight the cancer, I can control the cancer, I will treat the cancer. Everything you have to be very positive in your mind. So if your mind is very positive, your confidence level is very high, you can fight the cancer very easily. Now I will discuss with you how you can treat the cancer, how you can control the cancer in your body just by changing the food habits. In the food habit, just you have to change your food habits. First thing, you have to stop the dairy products. Any milk product immediately to be stopped when you feel you have been diagnosed with a cancer or a lymphoma cancer, or it may be fibrosis cancer, it may be any type of cancer. Once it is diagnosed, you come to know or you feel in your body, immediately stop the dairy products. No milk, no butter, no ghee, nothing else. Just you can take vegetable and fruits. As much as diet you can include in your food, vegetables and fruit. If you can add citrus fruits, those who are vitamin C rich, those fruit which are vitamin C rich is very good for your cancers, because vitamin C is essential part of the skin. Skin means every part of the body which is covered by the skin. It may be a nerve, it may be a body part, it may be the finger, it may be face, it may be stomach, it may be large intestine, it may be small intestine, it may be heart muscle. Everything is made of the skin cells, and these cells are always to be kept healthy. So you immediately stop drinking the milk and dairy product. Second, no non-veg. Immediately you have to stop non-vegetarian diet. Red meat, anda, eggs, any other type which you think it may be harmful to you. You people are very wise people. You can search on the internet also. You can search on the Google also. These are which are the good food for us, which are the bad food for us. Which are the bad food? Immediately you please stop taking it. Now I will discuss each by each what are the items which you should include in your diet. No dairy product, I have told you. No red meat, told you. Second thing, the liver organ in the body is a organ which is a security guard of our body. Security guard of the body. Whatever chemical medicines you are taking, liver is not allowing this chemical to pass on to the cells. Cell is not getting any diet, not any benefit out of the medicines you are taking. The medicine you are taking, it's just on the blood level. It is rotating in the blood level only. It is curing on the blood level. They are changing the chemistry of the blood only, but they are not changing the chemistry of the blood cells, body cells. Unless your body cells are made healthy, you cannot fight with the cancer. If you want to fight with the cancer, you have to take a vegetarian things or nutrients or dry fruits or fruits which the liver can pass on to the cells. Again, I will repeat this thing. Liver is a security guard in the body which never allowed any chemical to pass on to the cell. Number one. And second, liver is the only organ which allow always nutrients, natural fruits, natural things allowed to the cell. That's why you have seen many people says Ayurveda can treat the cancer. Ayurveda can do this. Natural herbs can do this. Chinese herb can do it. And fruits can do it. Vegetables can do it. Why they say so? Because only liver is the barrier which is allowing only natural things to the body cells. If the body cells are made healthy, then you can fight with the disease. If your body cells are not healthy, you can not fight the disease or the infection or the cancer or any AIDS or any type of the disease which is related with the cells of the body. Third, chemical I have told you, and in the diet. Now you can include the diet which I am suggesting you people. It's a very good diet chart for the cancer patient. Also weight loss also, and there are so many diseases which automatically you can control by consuming these few things. Number one, 2-liter carrot juice per day is very essential for the cancer patients. Those who are suffering from the cancer, either it may be a breast cancer, it may be a uterus cancer, it may be a prostate cancer, it may be a large intestine cancer, or it may be a mouth cancer or ulcer or anything, whatever you may call it. So you have to be very particular about it. You have to take a carrot juice 2 liter per day. Vitamin A, carrot juice is having vitamin A maximum quantity, and maximum quantity in the sense vitamin A goes in the body, it reacts with the help of the liver. Vitamin A with the help of the liver generates so many types of the enzyme which are automatically able to fight the body condition or germs in the body, infection in the body. So carrot juice is the only answer which can be passed on liver to the cell. Second, there are 4-5 things which are very good, but you can take them before breakfast. Number one is a dry fruits. You can take a 50 gram of dry fruits and soak them in a water. Soak them in a water overnight. Then next morning, early in the morning, pre-breakfast, you can peel off them and eat properly and chew them properly. 50 gram dry fruit is pure protein. Your cell needs the protein. Protein is the diet of the muscular system. Once your muscular system is strong, your nervous system will strong, and the sensory nerves in the muscles, it will be strong. You can take seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds. These all things, sunflower seed is the most healthiest product of the world, healthiest food of the world, just like avocado. Avocado is so much 80%, 90% it has a protein, and protein is very essential for the muscular system to upkeep maintenance of the muscles. You need a protein. If you find in the kidney patient, what happened to the kidney patient? They start discharging the protein from the muscle, from the muscular system, and muscles become the weak and patient become the weak. Next diet. you can take lot of lemon juice. You can take lot of lemon juice. At least cancer patient may have 4-5 lemon juice per day. And second important thing, the covering of the lemon, peel of the lemon is much more healthier than the juice. You can collect the peel of the lemon, grind, mix, make a thick paste, and you can also drink it. It's very good for the cancer patient. Within 3 months, you can see there is a lot of improvement. Your condition of the cells. Next is the turmeric tea. Turmeric is the most antibiotic thing. Turmeric. If those who are having the breast cancer, prostate cancer, or any type of skin disease also, they can always make the turmeric tea. Just quarter spoon of turmeric, add a cup of water and boil them. When it is properly boiled and juice is extracted, you can stir and keep for some time, and you can add shahad also, or whatever you can, honey also, whatever you want you can add into the turmeric tea for your taste. These all things are very good for the cancer disease or immune system of the body. If you can maintain immune system of the body in a healthy condition, no disease can touch you. Last and not least, there is alkaline water. Our body is acidic. When our body is acidic, we are prone to diseases. When our body is maximum acidic, then we are prone to diseases. If our body is alkaline, then our body automatically can fight with the infection or outside diseases, whatever may be there. So you always try to make your body alkaline. Now the question, how to make the body alkaline? It's a very simple. Egg, non-vegetarian, milk product, these things, fried and spices, this type of foods you have to remove from your thali or remove from your dining table. If you are able to remove these things from your dining table, automatically you will find your body is becoming the alkaline. And secondly, this tea boiled with milk and added with the sugar is highly alkaline. It kills your immune system. It kills your resistance of the body. It makes your body alkaline. So if you want to avoid or you want to keep your body alkaline, start taking green leaf or start taking alkaline water and seasonal fruits. Which are the seasonal fruits available in the market? Cucumber is a very alkaline food. Carrot, very alkaline. White carrot, very alkaline. Papaya, very alkaline. Apple, very alkaline. So like this you can select the alkaline food in your diet. If you are able to change your diet habit, or you are able to change your lifestyle, it will be very good for you. You can maintain your body, you can keep your health up to date, keep your body fit, and you can also fight with the diseases, or you can also advise to the other people also, other member of the family. So that's all I want to discuss with you, how to fight with the cancer just by changing your diets, something add in your diet or something to be removed from your diet. So I am having a YouTube channel, AIHR Integrative Health. You see over there and subscribe and like my videos. My videos are very good, and everything whatever knowledge I am trying to put in the shape of the video, so that you people can see that video, you can learn from that video, and you can treat yourself and your friends, your relatives, your children. Everybody can be benefited with the help of these videos. Thank you.